What's up, everybody? So today we are going to switch out a Two Brothers exhaust with the factory exhaust on a 2009 Fz6r. First, I want to start out with a sound clip of the Two Brothers exhaust before I start replacing it with the factory one, so everybody knows what it sounds like. And that way, if you want a Two Brothers exhaust, the installation is just reverse of what I'm doing. I'm going to now start the bike. The bike is already up to temperature, so it's all ready to go. Now that I showed you how the Two Brothers exhaust sounds, I'm going to start taking that one off so I can put the factory exhaust back on. And to do that, all you have to do is remove this piece down here, and 4 screws hold that in, and then you have to remove this side fairing, and that's held in by this screw, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And this one back here. And I want to start doing that right now. Alright, so all the tools that you're really going to need are a 12mm wrench, 12mm socket with ratchet, and a 4mm Allen key. First, you want to start by taking this piece off. Now, once you get those 4 screws out, all you need to do, pop this piece off, just like that. Now you want to continue by taking this fairing off. Okay, correction. You will also need a number 5 Allen key for 3 of the bolts on the fairing. The upper 3 on the fairing are the number 4 Allen key. So now I'm going to start loosening all these flange bolts, and as well as the bolt that holds on the exhaust, which is right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now that I'm ready to install the factory one, I'll put it in. Alright, now after everything's tightened up, we're going to start the bike to make sure there's no leaks in the exhaust. And after there's no leaks, I'll put the fairing back on and put everything else back together. no leaks, so we're good to go. The way you check for leaks, in case you don't know, is while the bike is running, or anything for that matter, any engine, you want to clog the exhaust for just a really quick couple seconds. And when you do that, if there is a leak, you'll hear a high-pitched whistle, and that's how you can tell if there's a leak or not. Now this Two Brothers exhaust does not have the silencer in it, and pretty much to put it on, it's just reverse of how I took it off. And if you're buying this new, this is a flat piece of metal. This is a flat piece of metal that you have to bend to form around the muffler, and then you have to put all this together, and then this hole right here just goes into the factory mount on the left side of the bike. And all you do is you use the factory bolt, and then they supply the nut. This here, they supply the nut for you, and then you just put the bolt through the hole, put the nut on it, and that's it. We're now going to go ahead and put the fairing back on and put the whole bike back together. And just like that, we're done. The factory exhaust is back on the 2008 Fz6r and ready to be sold soon, along with the Two Brothers exhaust that's also going to be for sale soon. If you like this video, or if it helped you out in any way, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.